Hello everyone and welcome back to Vegas Room Tours and Beyond. We are at Caesar's Palace today and this is the Colosseum Tower. This room is the Colosseum Tower King Room, King Deluxe Room. Now these are the standard rooms in this tower, the entry-level rooms. They're around 350 to 475 square feet according to Caesar's. Don't know why the big discrepancy, but it might just be about the angle of the rooms and the way that they're situated. Now these rooms were very recently renovated, and so you'll see, according to the website, this is like a black and white palette of a room with pops of emerald symbolizing Cleopatra's jewels. That's a lot of description for not a lot of payoff in terms of what you actually see, because you'll see black, you'll see white, you'll see very little green. There's 2 green lamps, there's a green pillow, and that's all the green you get in the main bedroom area. So it's not that much. I'd say that this looks nice, you know, it looks decent for a recently renovated room, but I wouldn't say, if you didn't tell me that this was Caesar's Palace, I would not think that this was a Caesar's Palace room. I actually think this looks like what would be an Imperial Palace renovated room if you told me maybe 15 years ago when the Imperial Palace still existed. It looks kind of Asian. So I don't get Mediterranean from this at all. But, you know, it's Caesar's, it's new. You do get this nice little chaise lounge here. Nice table. You do get a brand new Keurig machine. They don't include the K-Cups. You have to buy those. So if you do stay in this tower, bring your own K-Cups. The TV is very nice. It's a 65-inch flat screen LG TV, so that's new. There's this, the artwork, it's randomly this bright red Julius artwork, which is like the only, I guess, Caesar's Palace theming in this room, it feels like. The bed, king bed, nothing to write home about. It's comfortable. Now this, I don't know if I don't believe this is the strip view room. It might be the strip view room, but you got a view of the strip from this room. I'm in room 6812, which is like a couple floors below the top of this tower. And you do get a nice sweeping view of the North Strip from here. In terms of connections, you do get bedside connections for USB A and C on both sides of the bed. No clock radio. You do have connections also at the table here, so that's nice. You do have a mini bar and the $15 or $20 Fiji waters, so if you're interested in that, you have that. Heading back to the entryway here, nice floor length mirror, and then going into the bathroom. It's a decent sized bathroom. You only get a single vanity here. The only other place you'll see green in here is on the mirror and some of the tissue boxes and little side things. The trash can, but that's about it in terms of green in here. Walk-in shower only for these rooms, so no tub, but it is a very nicely sized walk-in shower, and you do get a wand as well as the main shower head, so that is nice. Now going over to the toilet. And then the closet area is in the room, or in the bathroom, so just gotta watch out with the doors. The door to the bathroom is completely open right now, so I can open the closet door, but with all of the doors kind of open or half ajar, it's like a little difficult. Like, it's like flickering a little bit, but you do get a closet in here, iron and ironing board. So that pretty much wraps up the Colosseum Tower Deluxe rooms, what I like about this tower, outside of the fact that it's recently renovated, so it's like new-ish, is that it's closest to the parking garage, the self-parking garage. So if you are self-parking and bringing a car, this is the tower that's going to be closest to the parking garage. If you've ever parked a car at Caesars, you know that all the other towers are a hike through the casino to get to from the parking garage, so this is very convenient. Would I stay here again? I think there are a lot better standard rooms at Caesars Palace, but if I was bringing a car and didn't want to have the hassle of, you know, having to walk through the casino, or my preference was to maybe shop at the Forum shops, which are really close to the Colosseum Tower as well, then I would definitely stay here because you are close to the Forum shops. So if you like eating at some of the restaurants in the Forum shops, often like Joe's Stone Crab, I mean, this would be a good tower to stay in because you have easier access to that area. But other than that, I'd probably not stay here again. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.